Andarki namaskaram andi. I am Jhansi Rani, a porcelain artist. I have been trained under Mr. Felipe, who is from Portugal, under whose tutelage my artistry skills enhanced to the next level. Communicating, creativity, sharing experiences among each other. Art allows people from different cultures and even from different times. I am happy to share by conducting a workshop of art on porcelain at Eshwariah Art Gallery. Art aspirants can register for the workshop to be conducted on 19th and 20th of March 2022 from 10 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. can register their names.